Morning students, today we will discuss about the third chapter of geography, our changing earth. As you know, change is the law of nature. परिवर्तन प्रकृति का नियम है. Dear student, our earth changing nowadays. Okay, if we look, the things are changed. How the landforms are changed. Today we will discuss in third chapter our changing earth. Okay, the lithosphere is broken into a number of plates. It is known as the lithospheric plates. Lithospheric plates. Okay. The part of the crust, the upper layer of the earth is known as the lithosphere, and this is divided a number of plates. These plates have movement, and you will be surprised to know that this movement is very slow, few millimeters in each year. जो मूवमेंट्स होता है प्लेट्स में वो बहुत ही धीमी गति से होता है, स्लो प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा अर्थ पर चेंज होता है, फ्यू मिलीमीटर्स इन पर ईयर. ओके, तो देयर आर टू फोर्सेस ऑफ द अर्थ फॉर चेंजिंग. फर्स्ट, एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस. एंड सेकेंड, exogenic forces. Okay, endogenic forces that are act in the interior of the earth. This work in the interior of the earth. Okay, and exogenic force act as the out of the surface. जो एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स है उसको आउटर फोर्स भी कहते हैं. क्लियर? इंटीरियर फोर्स जो अर्थ के अंदर होती हैं, एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस. जो एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस हैं इनके द्वारा अर्थ पर क्या क्या चेंजेस होता है. You can see this diagram also. The earth movement, is divided into sections. Endogenic force, and exogenic force. Exogenic force. Clear? The endogenic force, sudden force. Sudden force like volcano, earthquake, and landslides. Okay, do you know? And the exogenic force act as the out of the surface. In Hindi we can say the बाह्य बल and internal. ठीक है, आंतरिक बल, इनके द्वारा अर्थ पर चेंजेस होता है. ओके, एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स में इरोजनल एंड डिपोजिशनल बल. ओके, इरोजनल इज द erode of the rocks through the different type of agents. Okay, and depositional, the sediments of the deposition. It is called the erosional and deposition. Okay, like river, wind, sea waves, and glacier also. Okay, sea waves and glacier, river, wind, sea waves and glacier. Okay, next, the movement of the earth sometimes sudden and sometimes slow. जो मूवमेंट होता है अर्थ में, इंटीरियर मूवमेंट, this is the slow and sudden movement. Understood? Through the sudden movement, like volcano, and earthquake. Earthquake. When the movement of the earth, a volcano is a vent opening in the, okay, earthquake. Earthquakes. Do you know what is earthquake and what is volcano? A volcano is a vent opening in the earth through which molten material come out interior of the earth. As you know, the magma is present in the earth interior. Okay, there are already we have discussed there are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. So these magma come out from the interior of the earth. You can see in this picture. This is a volcano. Okay. This is the gases and acids which come out from the interior of the earth. This is the crater. It is the opening mouth of the volcano. This is vent. It is the pipe which comes, the magma come out, and this is the lava. The magma upon the surface which come out upon the surface, it is called lava. This is the magma chamber. Okay, and this is the crust, the upper layer of the earth. This is the mantle, second layer of the earth. Understood? You can see in this picture what is a volcano. Clear? Next, similarly, when the lithosphere plate moves, surface of the earth vibrates. The vibration of the earth can travel around all directions. Understood? जो अर्थ का वाइब्रेशन होता है वो ऑल डायरेक्शंस में होता है. You can see this is the place where the vibration originate. It is called the focus. What is called a focus? It is the place where the movement, sudden movement start interior in the earth. Okay, originate place. And from where on the earth surface we feel it is called the epicenter. epicenter. Okay, this is called the epicenter. So in earthquake, when the vibration starts from here, the waves move around all directions. Understood? The greatest damage occur near the epicenter. It is the very destructive. The volcano and earthquake are very destructive. Okay? इनसे अर्थ पर बहुत ही नुकसान होता है, बहुत ही विनाशकारी हैं. ठीक है, हजारों लोगों की जान चली जाती है, बिल्डिंगें डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती हैं. तो इट इज़ वेरी डिस्ट्रक्टिव. क्लियर? These are the suddenly movement of the earth. Understood? When two plates move to each other, the molten magma come out inside the earth and erupt the volcano. And like this, when two plates move each other, the boundary of the plates where the occur the earthquake. Understood? Thank you and have a nice day.